Tarangire National Park. This was like the picture perfect, actually, if you may say. When you close your eyes, that's how you imagine Africa, and that's how you imagine safari because of the movies we've seen. We drove to that waterhole that was surrounded by zebras and giraffes and wildebeest. All the animals were there just sharing the water, being all cohesive in a harmony and nature. Honestly, if you would leave me there, I'll be happy. It was just watching that. It was incredible. The entire experience was just amazing, and kids did such a fantastic job. This journey will stay in my heart and my colleagues' heart, and we will always remember it.